So today we are talking about inheritance in Java. First of all, what is inheritance? Inheritance in Java is a mechanism which is one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent object. It is an important part of the object-oriented programming systems. The idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from the existing classes, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in the current classes also. Inheritance represent the ISA relationships, which are known as the parent-child relationships. Why use the inheritance in Java? For method overriding. So runtimes polymorphism can be achieved for reusability. Term used in inheritance. Class A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It has a template or the blueprint from which the objects are created. Subclasses means child classes. A subclass is a class which inherit the other classes. It is also called as a derived class or extended class or the child class. The superclass means parent class. Superclass is the class from the where a subclass inherit the features, is also called as the base class or the parent class. The reusability, as per name, this is reusability is a mechanism which facilitates your reuse the fields and methods of the existing classes. When you create a classes, you can use the same fields and methods already defined in the previous class. The syntax of the Java inheritance. The class subclass name extend superclass curly brackets methods and fields curly bracket close. Extend keyword indicate that you are the making new class that derive from the existing classes. The meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. On the basis of the class, there can be three types of the inheritance in Java: single, multi-level, and irreducible channel. In Java programming, multi and hybrid inheritance is supported through the interfaces only. We can learn about the interfaces later. Single inheritance. When a class inherits another class, it is known as the single inheritance. In the example of the given below, dog class inherits the animal class, so there is a single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. When there is a channel of the chain of the inheritance, it is known as the multi-level inheritance. As you can see the example given below, baby dog class inherits the dog class, which is again inherits the animal class, so there is a multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherits the single class, it is known as the hierarchical inheritance. In the example of the given below, dog and cats classes inherits the animal class, so there is the hierarchical inheritance. Multiple inheritance. To reduce the complexity and the simplify the language, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Consider the scenario where the A, B, C are three classes. The class C inherits the class A and B. If the A and B classes have the same methods, you can call it from the child object. There will be ambiguity to call the methods A and B. Since the compile time errors are better runtime errors, Java renders compile time errors if you inherit two classes. So whether you have same methods or different, there will be the compiler of the compile time error. These are the inheritance in the Java. Thank you so much.